Hey everybody, if you want to recover your deleted chats on Instagram and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just get started. You can start by opening up the Instagram application for that. And once you open up Instagram, you can just go over and download your Instagram data. So for that, you can look out for your profile icon in the bottom right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, your profile appears here. Now you can just go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open up the menu. Once you tap on it, you just need to go over to Account Center, or you can go to your activity and view up your history first. For now, let's head over to Account Center and tap on it. Once you tap on Account Center here, you'll be finding different options. You may scroll from the given options and look out for the option called Your Informations and Permissions. And once you tap on it, you can select the option for exporting your information or downloading your data. So you can look out for that option if you find it, or tap on Export the Information. And once you tap on it, you will be redirected to another page called accountcenter.instagram.com. After that, you can just go over and tap on the option called Create Export. And there you can just go over, select your Instagram account. Once you select it up, you can select the option where you would like to export the data to. For example, my device own. And there you can just go over and follow the process. So you can select the option where you would like to notify, like your email address and everything. And you can select up your date range, your format, and your media quality. After that is done, you can even select your custom information. So tap on it. And if you only want to recover your messages, you can only select the option for your messages instead. So you can uncheck each of them and only select the option of messages available. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and tap on save. After you save the changes, you can tap on start export. And once you complete it up, you need to confirm your password for verification. And once you complete the on-screen instructions to request a download, Instagram will send you an email with a link to download the information when it's ready to be done. This process may take a bit time. So once you receive the email, you can just go over and check out the link and follow the steps to download the file to open up your device. Open it on your device. And that's it. Instagram does not have a restore feature for deleted chats directly in the application, so you need to follow up this steps instead. So that is it, everybody. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.